Swati and I really hope you guys are fine and doing well. So here we are after almost 1 or 2 months and we are gonna do another Numi haul video today, and it is straight out of Pinterest. We have a lot of packages from Numi, as you can see, so let's unbox them together. So let's start with this top that I'm already wearing. Can we just appreciate this little lace detailing here and here too? I think this is the best part of it. Top is actually a 10 on 10, but if you used to wear S, order one size extra because it fits so well, and sometimes it does not look good just like on me, as you can see that. So let's see the next one. Dress that I was so excited to have. I was waiting for this for almost 15 days and I still have not opened it, so let's open it together. See this. Trust me when I say this that this is one of the best dress I have ever bought from Numi. And look into the small details and the ruffles. I am literally out of words. I don't know what to say, but I'm just obsessed. Okay, but if I just be honest, I was not expecting it to be this good, but I'm literally so obsessed. And the best part is that the strips are adjustable, so you can adjust it according to your need. This dress caught my heart. I don't know if you noticed that this yellow, but the yellow color is actually in very trend right now, and everybody is having this dress but in yellow color, so I thought to get the white one because white is my favorite color. And if I just be honest, you guys need to have this dress, so you can check out the description box for details. And I'm wearing S size. The cloth material is so good, it is so lightweight, so a 10 on 10 recommendation from my side. And now let's check the second one. And then we have this little plaid mini dress. It is super aesthetic and Pinteresty, and I really love this little tying thing on the chest area, the sleeves, the fits, everything is super cute. Also, you can use my code SWATI100 for additional 10% discount on Numi. I saw this dress on the Pinterest and I wanted to have something like this. I searched it everywhere, but I found it on Numi, and I think it is quite good for the price. And yeah, it is super soft. The material is very comfortable and breathable, but it's just a little bit short. I think we really need to wear something very, a little bit long inside this so that we doesn't show anything. Just style it with boots or new Mary Jane shoes. It's gonna look 10 on 10 for real. And I'm wearing S size. So now let's see the third one. And lastly, we have this dress which is giving Bridgerton or cottagecore aesthetic. I did not like it at first, but after wearing it, I got to realize how pretty it is. After wearing this, I got so many DMs for link of this dress, and I really love this side thing over the waist area. I think it is so cute, and the flow is also pretty nice. As much as I know, this dress does not look similar to this image, but it is quite good for this price. The only thing that it needs to change is that this clothing material, because it's just a single cloth, it don't have anything inside this, but when you wear it, it looks so freaking good. We all know that in the summer everyone loves to wear printed floral clothes, so this one is so good for that, and it is not that bad, so if you want, you can have this. I want to share something with you guys that I have started my small business Vyara by Swati, where you can find very aesthetic yet Pinteresty clothes plus jewelries, bags, etc. So it would really mean a lot if you just have a second to check that out. And yeah, you can get a freebie on your first order and rupees 150 off on every dresses and every combos. I don't have to make this video 10 hours long, so I'm only going to show this 3-4 stuff in that video. So if you want part 2, just let me know. We will review more dresses that we have over there. So for now it is enough, and thank you so much for watching this. I love you always.